Assalamualaikum. Okay.
Hi, madam.
Okay. Alia hilang sekejap. Dan siapa? Riza masih tak boleh masuk lah. Sekarang ni apa yang kita berdua sajalah untuk sementara waktu lah.
Okay,
Okay.
madam.
Nak start sekarang tak?
Saya okay je.
Sementara tu dua orang lagi masuk lah. Okay. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good evening to all my beloved students. Thank you, class, for joining our e-discussion tonight. And we use StreamYard platform to discuss our tutorial reaction kinetic, question number 4, question number 5, and question number 6. Tonight, actually, we have 3 presenters, okay? First is Alia Nafisa from H2P5. Not yet lah, masuk. Second, Afiq Adaha, okay, from H3P3. And third presenter is Rizal from H2PO4, okay? I don't want to waste our time. Let's start our discussion today lah. If you have any question, you only can write down at chat part, okay? Afiq, you discuss question number 5, right?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Shall I start now, madam?
Wait. Okay, you can. We discuss question number 5 first, yeah. All right. Afiq, you can start.
Should I read the question, madam, or should
Yeah,
proceed
yeah.
with that?
You must read the question one by one, and then you proceed to the question to the answer lah.
Okay, madam. So question number 5 is the given initial rate of duration 3p plus y equals to p3y. So it's measured of
Afiq,
different. Yeah.
quite slow, quite fast.
Okay. So 3p plus y equals to p3y is measured for a series of different initial concentration of p and y. So the table shows the data obtained as follows. So the question is to determine the rate law for this reaction. So before we started to calculate it, so we have to write the rate law, the equation, which is k p to the power of m and y to the power of n. So basically m and n is the order of reaction, the variable for the order of reaction. So m is respect to p and n is respect to y. So the first thing is we have to compare the experiment, experiment 2 and y and 1 by
Wait. Why you want to compare experiment 2 and why, Afiq?
because I want to find the order of reaction for the respective concentration.
Yeah, and another reason because of you want to cancel off this one 0.15. Then you compare experiment 2 and experiment 1, we can cancel concentration for this one lah, 0.15 divided by 0.15. When you cancel off, then you can find order of fraction for n. Okay, class? Okay, proceed.
So as you can see, what I did is that I divide rate 2 with rate 1 equals to the rate law of experiment 2 and the rate law of the experiment 1. So after cancelling the 0.15 and above and between, you will get 3 to the power of n, which is 2.25 divided by 0.75, you will get 3 to the power of n. And then you just need to substitute the rate 2 and rate 1 as given in the table below. So after dividing everything, you will get 9 equals to 3 to the power of n. And you simplify the 9 and you will get 9 n to the power of 2. So based on what I understand, we have to put the final answer, which is order of reaction with respect to y is 2.
Okay, very good. This one compulsory, yeah, class. You after you calculate and you get the answer n equal to 2, then you must state this sentence. Order of fraction with respect to y is 2. If you do not mention this one, you never get 1 mark. 1 mark is for this statement, not for this one. This one n equal to 2, no marks. Okay, marks is here lah. Okay, next. Any question, class? If you have any question, you chat lah. You tulis comment at chat. Okay. Okay. Shall we proceed, Afiq?
Yeah, yeah.
No, sebab saya tak nampak ni.
Slide, madam.
Any question from student, from other members? No, ah. Okay. We proceed, Afiq?
Yeah, next slide, madam.
Okay.
Okay, so after we comparing experiment 2 and 1 to get n, now we're going to find another variable for order of reaction respecting to p, which is m. So what we have to do is to comparing experiment 3 and 1. The same method as what we did before. Rate 3 divided by rate 1. Substitute the initial concentration in the equation given, and then cancel everything that's similar. So substitute the value of initial rate for both experiment. Then what you can get is 4 equals to 4m. So as we all know, 4 to the power of 1 is equals to 4. So m is equals to 1. And not to forget to put the final answer, which is order of reaction with respect to p is 1. So after we already get both order of reaction for m and n, we have to conclude the final answer. So as what I did, I put the rate law is r equals to the rate constant, which is k, p to the power of 1 and y to the power of 2.
Okay, good job, Afiq. Okay, this one rate law of when you want to write down rate law, okay, remember here must write down square bracket. This one raise power of 1 ini, this one not compulsory lah. You can write down r equal to k square bracket p close square bracket multiply with square bracket of y power of 2. Okay. Okay, that's all.
That's all for me.
Okay, thank you, Afiq.
Okay.
Wait, Okay. Next, Alia.
Should I close my camera, madam, or?
No, no, no. Alia. Okay. Wait, class. Wait for Alia. Alia, are you here? Alia, please unmute mic. Alia. Can you explain question number 6, Afiq? I got the answer. You just explain. Can or not? Alia. Alia. Hello, Alia. Are you here, Alia? Okay, never mind. Afiq, shall you discuss question number 6? You want to try?
Me, madam.
Yeah, can.
Uh, I will try to explain.
Okay. We wait for Alia lah, but result told me that his line not very good lah. Okay. Question number 6, class. Okay. We discuss question number 6 first. Can, Afiq?
Can.
Okay. Russian kinetic, question number 6. Okay.
Okay. So, there is the given equation. So, it states that the above fraction is the first
Slow,
order.
slow. Please.
So,
Slowly.
based on equation, it states that the above reaction is a first order reaction with a half-life of 35 minutes.
Okay,
So,
class. Jap. Okay. Class. This one equation the NO2. Okay, decompose to NO plus O2 lah. Okay, then reaction. This one. This question already mentioned about first order of fraction. First order of fraction and half life with 35 minutes. Okay. Next subject.
okay, so the first question A is to sketch the graph of initial concentration of NO2 against time and indicate the half-life. So basically what I did is to compare the equation first. So basically the formula of the equation is initial concentration minus by concentration of A at time t equals to rate constant times by time. So as you can see based on the graph drawn by Alia, it's
No. By result.
or by Rizal. So
Mm.
the y-axis is the concentration, while the x-axis is the time.
Okay, this one class. Question need you sketch. Means sketch, no need to use graph paper lah. Only in task pack. Okay. Concentration, initial concentration of NO2 against the time. Here, make sure lah. What Afiq told you that concentration. Sorry, axis Y must be concentration of NO2 slash capital M, and axis X, T must be in minute. Why? Because before this question already mentioned that half-life is 35.0 minutes. Okay. You must draw, you must sketch graph based on question given to you lah. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Next, Afiq.
we should proceed. So basically the initial concentration means that the time is 0. So as you can see, the graph started at initial concentration at 0 minute. And then the question states that the half-life of the reaction is at 35 minutes. So the
Actually,
initial
what is a half-life? Yeah? Separuh, right?
yeah,
Okay, 50% from initial.
yeah.
Okay.
So
Remember,
yeah,
half-life from initial means 50% from initial. Okay. Initial. Okay, here lah. Initial. You here you assume sahaja. Okay, jarak dia lah half. Okay, separuh. Okay, and then you draw graph, class. Draw. How I know this graph is like this? You must memorize, right? This one.
yeah,
Okay.
madam.
This one, this line, you must memorize because soalan or question already state this one is a first order of fraction. Okay. Then this one half life, you buat dot 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 line, then touch this line, and then bring down lah. Then label 35 minutes. Okay. Okay. Any question? I think you check any question from our members.
Um, I think no, madam.
Okay, then we can proceed lah.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
So the B is calculate the rate constant. So this one rate constant is K. So we should use the formula as result stated, T half equals to ln 2 over K. So we
Okay.
just substitute the T half with 35 minutes and just calculated the K. So the K is equals to ln 2 divided by 35 and the final answer is 0.0198 minute.
Unit compulsory, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Unit compulsory. Okay. Per minute means this one is a first order lah. Okay. You can give the answer either in minute or second lah. Okay. But for me, better you give in minute. Why? Because soalan question come out in minute. Okay. Next. Okay.
Um, so the C, the calculate the rate of reaction when the concentration of
Slow,
and
slow, slow. Repeat.
when the concentration of NO2 is 0.060 m. So this one, the rate of reaction, we should use the rate law equation, which is R equals
Is it
to,
integrated or rate law? This
I
one
think,
integrated rate law or rate law saja only?
rate law. I'm using rate.
Okay, very good. Afiq, this one is a rate law only. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Question. Calculate the rate of reaction when the concentration of NO2 is 0.060. Therefore, you must first, this one is a first order reaction. Then you must use rate law equation lah. Rate equal to K concentration. Okay, square bracket of NO2. Okay. Then Afiq, substitute value, right?
Yeah, substitute the value.
Okay, because this one is a what? This one is a concentration, right? Concentration of NO2 given to you. Okay, how we get K? From previous question. This one. Okay. Okay. And you press calculator, then you will get this answer. Okay. Jawapan, check your answer. Pelajar semua ada masalah tak? Ada tak yang kata jawapan tak sama? Ada? Any? Any problems, Afiq?
No, madam.
Okay, shall proceed.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the last question is to calculate the time required for 75% of the original amount of NO2 to decompose.
Okay. This
Okay.
one you should write down or use integrated rate law for first order of fraction. There is a ln A naught minus ln AT equal to KT. But class, if during exam, if you just write down this equation, you never get 1 mark for formula. Why? Because question already state the decomposition of NO2. Therefore, you must substitute A naught with NO2. Is it clear, class? Make sure. Never mind, Afiq. This one I will explain lah. Okay. Remember, class. This one not compulsory to write down because this one is in general. We need we need all of you to write down this one lah. Ln concentration of NO2 note, must write the note, O here, O kecil. Okay, minus square bracket ln NO2 square bracket T, okay, at time taken equal to KT. This one negative. In mathematics, you can write down divide, right? Therefore, ln concentration of NO2 note divided by concentration of NO2 T equal to, okay, K already you know lah, you already calculate 0.0198 T. Okay, now why? Okay, this one dekat sini ramai pelajar silap. Okay, you kena faham this one. Okay, because question come out, it already mentioned that determine the time required for 75% of the original amount NO2 to decompose. Actually, original is 100%. Okay, original is 100%. And then concentration at time taken is 100% minus 75. Then you will get 25. Okay, remember, if question come out like this, I repeat, okay, original is original is 100%. Okay, then question mentioned that amount of NO2 to decompose means 100% minus 75%. Therefore, you will get 25%. Okay, after you substitute value, you press calculator, you will get 70.0 minute. Okay. Afiq, anything you want to add, or anything you want to ask me?
No, madam.
Okay. Is it clear? Is it your answer is correct, Afiq?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. Ada soalan daripada student? Okay. Okay. Alia? Alia, are you okay? Alia, are you okay, Alia? Okay. We still waiting for Alia. If not, Afiq lah. It's okay, Afiq. You use what? Laptop or phone?
Phone, madam.
Okay. Oh,
For what
Alia.
question, madam? Yeah,
I
sure.
know. Okay, Alia. Okay. Alia, are you here, Alia? Alia,
Yes,
are you here?
madam.
Okay. If I share screen, can you present, Alia? Okay, Alia, can? Alia,
Yes,
boleh? Can I?
yes, madam.
Okay. Okay. You can see or not, Alia?
Is there question?
Question number 4. You can speak louder, Alia.
For question number 4, right, madam?
Yeah, question
Yes,
number 4.
madam.
Okay, you can speak louder.
Yes, madam.
Okay. You can start now.
For question number 4.
Speak louder, Alia.
Question number 4, direction. The rate equation was found to be...
Alia,
Yes,
can you speak a bit slow? Okay. Louder and a bit slow.
for the reaction, 2x2 plus C2 equal to 2CX2. The rate
All right.
equation was found to be rate equal to K x2 C2 square. At
Right.
temperature T, the rate of reaction is R. How does the reaction rate change if only the partial pressure of X2 is double?
All
So
right.
first, we need to write rate equation. Rate equal to K, 2x2, C2
Okay, this one
square.
you drop down. You drop down from question, right, Alia?
Yes.
Okay. This one first step you must drop down lah from question. After that,
So after that, when the partial pressure of X2 is double,
all right.
we write 2 dekat sebelah X2 tu.
Okay, you write down these two lah, because
Yeah.
question mentioned that x2 is double. Double means x2 means 2 time lah. Okay, 2. You drop down this one again, r equal to k square bracket, but x2 is double, then therefore you must write down 2x2 multiply with c2. Any change? Any
No,
changes?
same. Remain
No.
same.
Okay, remain same lah. All right. Then next step,
Then we need to
compare.
bawa keluar.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you take out this one, these two, right? Okay. You take out these two, tarik dia keluar macam ni lah. You take out these two, 2k. Because why you did like this? Why you do like this? Because you want to compare this one. Okay, x2, c2. This one, ni sekejap ya. Wait pen. Okay, because this one we want to compare with this one. this one and this one. Okay, nampak tak? This one lah, the whole thing here and the whole thing here. Nampak? Class, both are equal. Okay, that's why you must take out 2. Okay, when you take out 2, okay, square bracket x2 multiply with square bracket c2 raised to power of 2. This one equal to data given to you. Okay, that you know this one equal to rate equal to this one. Okay, this one equal to 2r lah class. Okay, 2r. Then this one you must mention. This one compulsory lah. The reaction rate is increased by 2 times. Okay, 2 times. This one 2 times. Okay, because 2 ni R ini refer kepada rate lah. Okay, rate 2 times. Okay, next. Okay, shall we proceed? Any comment or any question from other student?
Madam, I have a
Yeah.
question.
Yeah.
Yang R tu memang kena tulis
Yeah, compulsory. Which one? This one or this one?
Yang bawah, dekat 2R tu.
Yes, compulsory write down because we already mentioned that R here, R equal to this one. Nampak tak? R equal to this one. R equal to this one. Okay. R equal to this one. This one nampak? Sama. Atas ini dengan ini sama tak?
Sama.
Pakai. Okay. Pakai warna lain. Okay, nampak tak? In this one and this one, both equal. Okay, same. Okay, this one same. Okay. Okay, same. That's why we mentioned as a R2R. Okay, next. Okay, any question from student? Can we proceed?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Oh, this one. B. All right. Then, Alia, continue.
For B question, the partial pressure for X2 is half and C2 is double. Then
All right. Wait. Partial pressure of X2 is half. 1/2 lah, half. And C2 is double. Okay. Actually, this one kan. This one you can jot down. Okay. You can jot down this one first. Ni R equal to K X2. Ni original. This one. Maksudnya di original ni sepatutnya ke atas dulu. Baru senang kita nak compare. Okay. Okay. Sekejap saya edit sikit. Sekejap ya. Okay. Wait this one. Okay. Okay. Alright, Alia, continue again.
First we write rate equation yang original punya dulu.
Okay.
Lepas tu kita tambahkan 1/2 dekat sebelah X.
X2.
And then kita tambahkan 2 dekat sebelah C2.
Alright, wait. Okay, Alia said that you must add a half at X2, okay? Because question mentioned that X2 is half. That's why you must write down X2 is half, okay? This one lah. X2, wait, I change color. Okay, X2 is half, okay? Question mentioned X2 half. That's why you must write down half. Okay, And then a question state that CO2 is double. Okay, double. That's why here you must times with 2. Okay. Then this one mathematics lah class. Okay, right. Okay. Wait. X. Okay. 1/2. You take out. Okay. You take out this one lah. Half and 2. 2 ini you must remember. Okay. These 2. Okay. Power of 2. Okay. Means 2 power of 2 equal to 4. Then half multiply with 4. Okay. Drop down this one. Square bracket x2 and c2 power of 2 lah. Okay. Then this one you can cancel off. Okay, become 2k x2 multiply with c2 power of 2. Okay, this one actually class equal to this one. Okay, nampak tak this one? Okay, this one ya. Okay, and this one are same. Okay, ini adalah same. Okay. Okay, same. Okay, that's one. 2, okay, 2R. Okay, ini R is a red ini actually is a R symbol dia 2R. Then last part you must state that the reaction rate is this one. The reaction rate is increased by 2 times. This one compulsory lah. Okay, if you do not mention this statement, you will lose 1 mark. Here 1 mark. Here also got mark. Okay. Any question? All students can jot down or check your answer. Okay. All right. We need to keep. Okay. 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 All right. Actually, so far, Afiq, tak ada dah. Okay. So far, we stop. Or so far, we already discussed 3 questions. Okay. From topic reaction kinetic. There is a question number 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Okay. If you so far, what do you think? Is it okay, class? Okay. That's why actually I want. Why actually? Why I want to do StreamYard to our tutorial this semester? Because of I want two-way learning. Okay, not one-way learning. What I did last semester lah. Actually, I'm not satisfied last semester. Today, I'm very happy lah because our 2 students, Afiq and Alia, can present their answer lah. Okay. We should give a big clap to both. So far for 3 of them lah. Okay. For next week, we will discuss question number 7, question number 8, and question number 9. Also using StreamYard. Okay. Anybody of you want to join? Please. Okay. Anybody of you to want to become one of the presenter? Okay, you can PM me lah. Or these 2 person, Alia and Afiq, you want to stay? Alia, Afiq, you want to stay?
I want to give other people chances to present their answer.
All right. Okay. How about Alia? You want to stay? If want to stay, doesn't if want to stay, doesn't matter lah. Okay. Yes. Shafika. Yes, can. Okay. Okay, that's all for our class today. Okay, actually we stopped quite earlier lah. Only around 30 minutes already finished. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, my class H2P4, H3P3, H5, P2B, and K1, T3. Okay. See you next week. Have a nice day. Take care.
Okay, madam.
Okay, bye. Bye. Ni, both of you boleh buat macam ni. Bye. Alia, angkat tangan.
Bye.
Alia. Hi, bye. Okay.